Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you if Motorola Moto G75 comes with earbuds inside of the box. Here's the box and let's open it to see if there are earbuds inside. The first thing we can see is the phone in a clear case. Then underneath you can see documentation and a SIM card tray opener. And in my version there is just a cable without a charging brick. I know that in some versions it comes with a charging brick as well, but it never comes with headphones inside, so you'll need to buy them separately if you don't have them and you want to use them with your phone. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.